Hey, this is Van. Today we're going to try something a little bit different on this video. I've came up with an idea for a scavenger hunt within Wireshark pcap files.
Where you have to search inside of the pcap files to find the hidden messages.
I want to do one of these treasure hunts between my regular Wireshark videos. Each of them will reference something we learned in a particular video. There will be a few challenges in each treasure hunt, and each correct answer will give you the next clue. The way that this will work is that I will give you a link to the pcap file for each challenge in the video description, and it will look like this. The solution will be in analyzing the pcap file. Each solution will be an 8-character random flag value, and it will look like this. To get to the solution page, simply type in https://www.LanWanNinja/ and the 8-digit flag like this. It will give you the next clue for that same pcap file. Just solve this challenge and then again put the flag into the website like this. When you enter the flag in for the final step of each challenge, you will hit the solution page. At this point, you have solved the puzzle, and you will get a solution code. There are no prizes, at least not yet, but the one thing I can offer you is to pin a comment at the top of the video for the first 3 people to solve it. To do this, simply email me at LanWanNinja@gmail.com with the final solution code. Once you complete each challenge, please comment on the video. Was it fun? Was it easy or hard, etc.? This will help me better prepare for the next one. Here's the location of the pcap file. Also, it's in the description of this video. And here is the first clue. Find the password. So go ahead, download the capture file and get started.